If you cannot find the element you need, simply click the Create Element button. This allows you to build a completely custom element from scratch and save it to your personal library for future use. For even faster itinerary building, TravelTree provides a collection of fast elements. These are lightweight placeholders that let you quickly map out the structure of a trip without needing to prepare images or detailed descriptions. Fast elements are ideal for adding flights and other transportation, private transfers, meals, hotel check-ins and check-outs, and many other common itinerary items. Because they are so lightweight, you can draft an entire itinerary in just a few minutes and enrich it with additional details later. If you don't yet know exactly where your clients will stay on a particular day, simply drag the overnight fast element into the bottom of that day in the itinerary. Then click the pencil icon to rename it, for example, Overnight in Bergen. This allows you to complete the itinerary structure even before all accommodations have been selected. Another useful fast element is actually called Fast Element. You can use it to add any kind of general information to your itinerary, such as guide meeting instructions. Later, in the preview mode, you can fully customize this block by changing its title, selecting a different icon, adding a description, setting a start time, specifying a duration, or even adding an image if needed.